that is not going to introduce me as a partner or nothing.
That's right.
Take all the credit for himself.
I am the one that does 99.9% of everything.
Yes.
Except for the dirty work. That's usually how it works. Welcome back, guys. Big day, big update actually. We are here, we're in the shop. We got Z in the shop, we're still setting it up. We're still setting it up. It's kind of set up, but you know, it's a work in progress. But we're starting, brand new series here. We got a Z, it's actually not mine. It's, where's Elvin? It's Elvin's. Elvin works here in the shop with me. We're working together. We're working together. But yeah, whole new series. We're doing, this is an NA Auto, we're doing full TT manual swap. I'm gonna show you guys everything there's to do with the TT manual swap. So if you've never done it before, you wanna know how to do it, you know, get that sub button down pat and stick around. All right, so I'll give you guys a quick rundown of our starting point. So this is Elvin's. It's a left-hand drive. It's actually an original Canadian car. It's this beautiful blue paint code TH1, full blue interior. It is a 2+2. Overall, super clean, super clean. I mean, it is a 30-year-old car, but yeah, for 30 years old, she is really mint. Love this color, freaking gorgeous. But everything pretty much stock right now as a non-turbo auto. He's got some wheels on it. He's got some, you know, little accessories and good sound system and, you know, the little bolt-on things. But overall, she's just a really clean starting base, which is perfect for doing a TT swap and manual swap, obviously. So first thing, always do, take the hood off. Take the front bumper off. Nose panel, you don't need to take too much off. Prep the car for getting all the work done. You don't want the hood getting dented when you're pulling the motor or the nose panel. Bumper's got to go anyways because you're gonna put a TT1 or you're gonna have to cut holes for vents. Whatever you decide to do, might as well just come off. So first thing we do, we pull all that off so we don't damage any of it. So we're gonna do that today. We'll see after that. We might start getting ready to pull the engine out, but that'll probably be next time. So yeah, I'll see if I can put Elvin to work, and so I can sit back and drink coffee. Alrighty, we got everything pulled off, and now, normally I kind of start pulling the engine, but we're going to do that the whole video by itself. So we got everything pulled up front, everything's out of the way, ish. So now we're basically going to start pulling off stuff we don't need. We don't need any of this piping in front. It goes like any of this, all this fender stuff, like this is part of the intake, which is not even being used anymore. So we're going to pull all this, basically like everything here. This comes out. We're gonna do a dual intake, so we don't need this anymore. Even if we were doing a single intake, I'd still pull this off because these pipes are different. So yeah, we're pulling everything off. We're basically pulling everything off from here down. That loops around to here, so we're gonna pull everything off from there to here, and then there's intake piping from here going up. So we're just gonna get rid of everything in the front. We don't need it. It's coming off. It's all gonna get new piping. So yeah, let's do it. Okie dokie, guys. So here we are. End of the day. I put the car in the air because I was taking exhaust stuff off. I'll show you that in a sec. But all this, basically garbage. This is from under the car. Heat shield. You can keep it. You don't have to. The rest of this, all getting replaced. It's like all the piping just in the front. These are intakes. You don't need them. You don't need them. All this, you don't need it. These you can reuse. You got to do some adapters. We just bought new pipes. Just buy new pipes. They're aftermarket pipes. They're aluminum. Easier, better, yada yada. Yes, some of the stuff we could probably sell, but it's got to come out. So this is what I'm showing you. This all came out. Got carbon canister, which is normally right here. Carbon canisters out. Got the lines that we'll take out later because they go into the engine bay. I took the fan out. I took this fan out. You don't have to. It's gonna go back in. Definitely going back in. It's over here. This is basically the stuff we're keeping. That's stuff that's getting tossed. And yeah, it's just a lot of taking out all the piping right now. And we took out the exhaust. And we'll probably work on engine next.